everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Pratiksha. So I wanted to put together a makeup look which is simple plus elegant for this festive season. So I tried creating a universal makeup look which can be experimented right from teenage girls to married women. Also, if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel. So without a further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. First, I'm going to start with prepping my skin, and I'm using this rose gold elixir oil from Farsali. This is going to give me a nice, smooth and dewy base for my makeup. I'm going to blend this well into my skin. For the foundation, I am using here Kryolan Derma D64 and I'm using my fingers to blend the foundation. Considering the fact that it is a festive season and lot of things are going on simultaneously, so we have very less time for our makeup. So fingers act as the best beauty blender and it gives you accurate coverage. Your foundation is done very naturally. I love the base which is natural looking and something that is not overly done. So fingers act as the best blenders. Moving on with the concealer, I am using this LA Girl Pro HD Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. Now this is one of my favorite concealer because it not only corrects my eyes but it also brightens it up. So I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on my eyelids. I'm going to blend this with my ring finger, applying a very light pressure so that it's not overly blended but the product is also there under the eyes. I'll make sure there are no creases. Moving on with the Fit Me Loose powder, I am using it to set all the creams under my eyes. I'm also going to use it on my face because that's going to give me a sheer coverage, keeping my dewy base below. Moving on with the eye makeup, I am using this Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I'm picking up these two shades. That is, one is Champagne Gold and one is Warm Gold. The Champagne Gold is Nefertiti, which I'll be applying on the eyelid as a major color. It's a nice, beautiful gold. I'll be applying it slightly above my crease line, making sure that my entire eyelids are covered with this champagne gold color. Next, I am using a celestial color from the Huda palette with a fluffy brush from PAC. Now this is to finish the eye makeup look. This is going to give a nice well blended look. Moving on to the eyebrows, guys, I'm extremely sorry for my bushy brows, but I'm trying to cover it with the eye makeup, with the eyeshadow. This is the brown eyeshadow from Ben Nye palette that I have taken on the PAC eyebrow brush. I'll be first covering the borders of my eyebrows and then I'll be filling it inside. Now for the highlighter, I am taking a light silver shade on my brow bones. Now for the inner corners, I am going with a matte yellow shade as matte colors and eyeshadows are too much in fashion. Now for the kajal, I'm applying this colossal pencil, kohl pencil. This is something I'll be applying very roughly. I'm not trying to achieve any particular perfect shape over here because I'm going to blend it out. I want a smoked version of my eyeliner. This is a concealer brush with which I'm trying to achieve a smoked eyeliner look for that dramatic effect, which I absolutely love. I'm using this same brush and the same color below my waterline on my lower lash line. I'm going halfway because I want my eyes to look a little bigger. Now I am using the kajal in my waterline. Again I am going halfway here. But if you have a big eyes, you can just complete your eye makeup. Now I am applying mascara from Colossal on my upper and lower lash line. Next I am using this cream blush from MAC. This is Lady Blush and it has a very nice natural looking blush shade that's going to give me a very right tint on my cheeks. Now I am highlighting the high point of my cheeks with Wet n Wild highlighter. Also I am going to cover my forehead, nose bridge and my chin. Now I am using this Dino of London's dark pink lip liner. So first I'll be covering my lips. I'll be drawing the border and then slowly I'll be filling in the entire pencil on my lips, so that it gives a nice, strong, long-lasting base for my lipstick. I have already prepped my lips, guys. It's very important. Now, for the lipstick, I'm using this Lakme Raspberry from Dream Satin. I'll be taking that on a lip brush and I'll be covering my entire lips. I'm just wearing my jewelry and I'm almost done. This is my final look. It has come out so beautiful. Done with the bindi. So guys, I have done this makeup look for a lot of my clients because it's very subtle, fresh, dewy and natural looking. At the same time very glamorous. So yes, this is my final look. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.